Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude for studying. Struggling to study smarter? Claude can help you learn faster. And in 2026, students use Claude as a study assistant for almost every subject. You can use Claude to explain topics simply, summarize lessons, and create practice questions. So let's break it down by following these few simple steps. The first step you want to do is to access the Claude AI website. And to do that, you're going to search for Claude AI. Then you're going to click on this website right here. After that, make sure you log into your account so you can save your conversations. And then you're going to start a new chat. Then pass your note or topic. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. And I'm going to copy this PDF right here. Then you're going to ask Claude to explain this like I'm a beginner, summarize this chapter, or create study questions. For example, explain this like I'm a beginner. You can even ask him to translate in English. As my document is in French, I'm going to ask him to translate my document. Then you can choose the model here, which one is better for you. Then you're going to click on enter and give him the time to read the text, etc. Now, you're going to review and take notes. As you can see here, it started explaining. It started explaining in the course, the main goals, the key concepts, like here, a detailed summary. So you're going to review and take notes and ask follow-up questions. You can ask questions about this subject right here. And review and ask follow-up questions and don't rely only on AI answers. Don't skip understanding the basics and ask Claude to quiz you. You can ask him to quiz you by typing quiz me, like this. And it will generate questions about this subject. And it will give you the questions. And after that, it will give you the answers and see if you got them right. You can use it to clarify difficult topics also. And that's it. That's how you use Claude for studying in 2026 and save time. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.